Welcome back, cruisers. We're here with part 2 of 20 things you should never do on a cruise ship. Buckle up. Or should I say, anchor down. Let's dive deeper into even more cruise ship blunders you'll want to avoid. Tip 11. Don't take all the chairs. We've all seen them. The chair hogs who rise with the sun, armed with towels like territorial flags. Unless you're secretly part octopus, one chair is plenty. Don't turn the pool deck into your personal territory. Sharing is caring. Tip 12. Don't fly a drone. Thinking of capturing epic drone footage of your cruise? Bad news. Drones are usually banned. Unless you enjoy spending your vacation begging security for your expensive toy back, keep the drone grounded and your dignity intact. Tip 13. Don't hide being sick, feeling under the weather, tempted to tough it out without telling anyone? Don't. Cruise ships are close quarters, and a hidden cold or stomach virus can quickly become everyone's problem. Be responsible, report it, rest up, and keep your germs to yourself. Tip 14. Don't bring a surge protector. Sure, protecting your gadgets sounds smart, but cruise ships view surge protectors as potential fireworks shows waiting to happen. Save yourself from security's puzzled looks and embarrassing suitcase unpacking scenes. Leave the surge protector at home. Check with your cruise line to see which plugs and outlet extenders are allowed. Tip 15. No drugs or CBD gummies. Think your CBD gummies or medical supplies will sneak past security? Cruise ships have seen it all, folks. Leave the gummy bears behind or risk your face becoming a permanent exhibit in cruise line security training videos. Tip 16. Don't dress inappropriately. Camouflage outfits are stylish until they're illegal. Yes, some cruise ports actually ban them. And that hilarious but inappropriate shirt? Not so funny when you're explaining your fashion choices to local authorities. Do your homework before packing. Tip 17. Don't buy art on the boat. After a few complimentary champagnes at the onboard auction, everyone's suddenly a sophisticated art critic. Reality check? You're probably not. Cruise ship art prices are notoriously inflated. Take a deep breath, sober up, and Google first. Your bank account will thank you. Tip 18. Don't spend all your money too early. The cruise excitement is real, but spending your budget on day one? Rookie move. Imagine your friends exploring gorgeous islands while you're stuck on board, perfecting your shuffleboard skills. Pace yourself so you're not living on buffet leftovers by day 3. Tip 19. Don't think you're allowed to vape everywhere. Just because your vape smells like strawberries doesn't mean the cruise line will let you use it anywhere you want. Respect the rules or risk a lecture from security and irritated looks from your fellow passengers. Find those designated areas. Your fellow cruisers will thank you. Tip 20. Don't forget your passport. Even if your cruise line promises you can board with just a driver's license, carrying a passport is always the safer choice. Don't become the next viral sensation chasing down your ship with tears streaming and passport nowhere to be found. Pretend you are an adult and get a passport. And there you have it. Follow these hilarious yet critical tips and your next cruise will be smooth sailing. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and drop your funniest cruise mishaps in the comments. Until next time, anchors away.